We sometimes say the word, like we say om, we say and one. So, what is the significance of sound in introducing sound with the breathwork? Do we do it or not? Like, is it recommended?
It is recommended. So the reason we do it from a scientific perspective, as I always tell you guys in the class, is that when we do breath work, we are dealing with 3 levels. We're dealing with the body, the mind, and the spirit, right? Mm-hmm. So from a body perspective is what when I say there's a medical or a medical physiological explanation and reason why we're doing what we're doing. So for example, the particular breath you're talking about is Brahmari or Om chanting, which is known as humming bee in English. Mm-hmm. And when you chant and you create this vibration in the back of your throat, you're actually stimulating your vagus nerve, which is the 10th cranial nerve. And when the vagus nerve gets activated, your body gets into parasympathetic nervous system, which is the automatic signal to your body that it's time to rest and digest and to get out of the stress response, which is fight, flight, or freeze. That's one of the things that happens when you chant and create that vibration at the back of your throat. And like I said, in our tradition, we do it with the sound of Om, but you can also do it just with the sound, which that's why in English they call it humming bee. So you don't have to say Om, but even though Om is not even considered a religious. The second thing it does is that it actually secretes nitric oxide in your system, as you yourself pointed out, that chemical reaction under the skin that's happening, and I totally understand and agree with you on that. There's nitric oxide that's created, which is a mood booster. There's melatonin that's secreted when you do Brahmari, which is a natural fixer of jet lag, or if you're having sleepless nights because you're menopausal or something like that. So there are various physical benefits of doing these practices. That's just a given now because so much scientific study is being done on these practices, which was not there before.